Hi everybody, it's Logical from my new home in Worcester, Massachusetts at a dorm at WPI. And so basically I've got a quick video showing this little ghetto solution I have for interfacing with the Raspberry Pi, because over here I have the Pi, but I have no keyboard, no mouse, no external display, basically no way to find out the Ethernet address so I can SSH into it. But what I do have is an EasyCap capture card, which you've seen me use a couple times in the video. I had the insight to bring one. I have two wires which connect the Pi to the Pi's composite output to the input on there. I've got a 5-volt phone charger right there, and the Pi itself. But also, what I brought was an Arduino Micro, and it's my favorite Arduino platforming board easily, because it's really breadboard friendly and is very, very fast, and it can do a lot of stuff with the very advanced Atmel chip on it. So basically what I've done is I've written a program that handles key press events and makes the thing behave as a keyboard. So you can see I've got the 4 buttons over here. So you can't really see it. So right now, see, there's button 1 being pressed, or you can't really see it, but basically there's 4 key press events. 4, and so they add the debugs there. But basically, so I need to enter 4 commands into the Pi. I need to enter the username, the password, the command ifconfig, and enter. So basically that's what I have. So I have username, password, ifconfig, enter, all over there. So I'll show you it working. So press the first button, try to get this all in frame. But I'll press the first. It's going out of focus for no reason. But so it's not focusing, as always. I need a new camera. If you have any recommendations for a camera, let me know in the comments. But anyways, okay, whatever. So you can see I'll press the first button, the LED lit up, and in the thing we have Pi. So then I can press enter, moves the register down. I'm not going to enter my password, but I'll enter ifconfig, and hit enter, moves the register down again. I can hit Pi, register, I can hit Pi twice if I want. Basically, it's acting as a little dummy keyboard. So this allows me to basically interface like I have a keyboard, even though I don't have a keyboard. So I'll show you it working. Unplug it from here. So I'm going to plug this into the Raspberry Pi. Put the camera down. Now I need to power it up, power the board up. Oh, rotated, power the board up, so you can see the board's powering up. And over here, we can go to the VLC session I have open that is hosting the video. So the little ghetto wire solution is working. Try to get this to focus. Okay, so it's turning on, and everything is going well. And I don't have the version of Raspbian on it that prints the Ethernet address. I did not have the insight to update that. So basically, here we go. I'll press the first button, Pi, and enter. Enter my password with the second button. And there we go. So now I can try to get this all in frame. But now I'll hit the third command. So I'll hit ifconfig, types it out, enter. There we go. So, can't really believe that worked, but yeah. So, thank you for watching. Hopefully videos soon in college. It's going to be kind of hard to do all that, but yeah. Follow me on Twitter. It'll all be in the description. Have a nice day.